This. Well, well, well. What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? Yeah, yeah. I'm posting this, bro. I have one of my scholars who's been utilizing. He started off with one strategy. Mr. Plummer, what strategy did you start off with first?
Start off with the 2 minute dominator.
Started off with the 2 minute dominator. Then you came back and you bought another strategy, right?
Yeah, I got the Daniel because I wanted two strategies, one to work when the market was moving faster and one to use when the market was moving slower to,
Okay.
to catch that fluctuation.
Okay. Okay. I got a question. Before you bought your second strategy, were you making money in the market off the first strategy?
Yes,
So you started making money off the first one, then say, hey, let me grab another one.
right. I
Okay.
started making money off the first one, then I hit around that 50% mark of the cost of the second one. I said, all right, you know what? This is working. Let me go ahead and get that second one because I wanted something because I noticed different times of the day, different markets are better for different strategies. So I said
Mhm.
I need to have that variety, so I could diversify when I'm trading, whether it's in the morning, whether it's night, whether it's the Asian markets, the U.S. London
What? What?
joints.
That boy breaking it down on y'all.
Yeah, so and then like I like the 2 minute one, like if I'm not trading OTC, because the standard pairs don't flutter as much. So that 2 minute one is I find that nice and that's good because it's a nice steady trend line that's moving. So
Right.
I use
Okay.
that a lot for that. And I like to use the Daniel when we're doing OTC in the market, especially early in the morning, where there's a lot of movement.
So,
I can just catch
boy,
things.
boy, I'm
So
about to I'm
yeah,
about to have you teach the class, man. I'm about to have you teach the class, bro. Hey, so let me ask you this. Why do you continue to show up to class every single day when I instruct? Why?
because I don't know everything. There's still a lot I need to learn. You know, um, it's just because I can drive a car doesn't mean things aren't going to go wrong with my car, and I need to go to someone that's an expert on how to fix those things.
Okay. Okay. So what brings us today, man? Why are we on this Zoom right now? Why are we Hey y'all, let me tell y'all something. He just showed me something. I said, bro, you gotta share this with the people. So I'm gonna let him do it. But and he did something he shouldn't have did, but he was already doing it. But it's okay though. It's okay. So what brings you to this Zoom right now, bro?
So technically, the rules are you buy your strategy, you learn it. You're supposed to take a written test, and then go live on your demo account with KOBK and make sure that you know how to do everything.
Mhm.
Um, so I felt I was pretty proficient with the strategies because, like I said before, there's laid out everything. All the directions are there. One, two, three. Follow one, two, three, and everything is fine. But I still wanted to follow the rules, so I was like, all right, well, I need my written test. And he's like, well, you sure? It's kind of early. I'm like, yeah, just let me do the test then, so I can
So you
go
can go
live.
live. So you can go
Right.
live, huh? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Not like you
Technically I've been going live uh, for about 10 days now.
All right, bro. All right. So listen, guys, I employ everyone to do the written test first,
Yeah.
then hop on the session with me so I can make sure that you're proficient with utilizing the strategy so you can find those setups, find those trades where you can avoid or get in or continue to trade looking for the continuations, right? He's like, yo, I'm ready. I'm ready to go live, bro. I'm ready. I'm like, okay, cool. So then this man is a mathematician genius, right? He showed me something and we gonna share it with y'all. So, bro, go ahead and share with the people what you got. Y'all look at this. Oh man, this trade is banging, bro. This trade is going in. So go ahead and explain this because it already looks like you went live. I don't know, man. I'm not a mathematician genius, bro. So
Uh,
tell us what you've done here.
so I went live with $500 on December 11th. So I've been tracking um, profits. I've been tracking my P&L, profit loss, well, profit lesson, um, day by day. So December 11th was day one. And my target was between 3% and 5% a day. That's a nice conservative um, target. It's not follow the strategies. It's not hard to hit at all. Um, it actually the problem is stopping once you hit your target. Because you can hit it so fast. There's been times I've hit my target in 2, 3 minutes. I get up in the morning, look on my phone, I see something, a trade setting up. I'm like, okay, well, let me hit that. I tend to do 3 to 4% trades. So to hit my 3 to 5%, I only need to clear 3 trades. Um, but it goes so fast that I'll see a wave coming. I'm like, well, I can't leave that money on the table. Let me just ride this till the wheels fall off. And that's how I end up with 13 and 15% days.
Whoa,
Because
wait. You end up with what percent days?
13 and 15% days. Yeah, so
Sheesh.
I'll show you how that's how I got ahead of the schedule. Because so all the stuff in red is technically where I should be at, starting with $500. This is $500 making 3% a day. So right now my account's supposed to be at around $600. At 5% a day, my account right now should be at around $814. Um, but because I've been hitting those double-digit days, my
Mhm.
account right now is actually a little over $1,700. So I'm not pulling.
Wait. You started off with 500
Yeah,
and your account's just over 1,700 right now.
and that's what I already pulled out $600.
And you pulling out money. Let's
Yeah,
go, man. Let's
because
go.
I'm a firm believer in make sure you get your capital back, that type of thing. Um, so started out with 500. On December 16th, my account hit around nine something, and that's where I had earmarked, all right, to pull out $244, which has been 50% of the profits from the last 2 weeks is how that came up with that money. But I hit it on December 16th, which was actually day 6.
Wow.
So
Wow.
I put in for that withdrawal, kept trading, trading. Then around,
Wait. Hold on. You said something. You say you put in for that withdrawal. So not only are you trading, but you're actively pulling money out as you're growing your
yeah,
account. Beautiful.
yeah,
Beautiful. So the
yes.
money is real.
Oh, the money is real. Yeah,
You can
that
you you
that
can pull
hit.
the money out.
Oh, I've pulled the money out. That money's spent already.
Okay, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So then, around, so I traded, continued to trade. So this is I had different theories on how I was going to pull money, how I was going to recover funds and things of that sort. So I set up three. Can disregard this one because that was set up for a daily pull. That became unrealistic with the timing and everything and amounts, and the money I was playing with wasn't that large to be able to pull every single day. So I set up a schedule for a weekly pull, bi-weekly, and then not pulling in money and just letting it compound and what it would look like. So I like to have those numbers, side by side. So it came, I like the bi-weekly pull numbers because I'm hitting them earlier than every 14 days, but it's still allowing the account to grow at a good pace. So on December 20th, yesterday, as a matter of fact, I hit around 17, $1,800, and no, I hit around $1,500. So I had to put in another withdrawal for 365. So I'm waiting for that should hit my account, today or tomorrow. Um, because I was still ahead of schedule, but I made the day 28 number. So
Mhm.
I hit the day 28 number. All right, now it's time to pull that money. So that left me with, $1,100 on the 20th, about actually around the 19th, 20th. And now that account is back up to around 1738, I believe is the exact number.
Let's
But
go.
I don't have 1738 on the chart, so I have to mark it at 1721
Absolutely. That's
because
good.
right, I only mark it at where I hit or lower. Um, then so I'm just keeping track of it that way.
Man.
So
So how far do you have this going down to?
90 days,
90 days. So at 90 days, your capital of 500, your investment of $500 turns into what?
$7,000, and that's after pulling. Um, that would be after pulling. That'd be after pulling that little over 4,000 out.
Bro, that's what's up. That's what's
So
up. And then over there in the right column, if you didn't pull anything, your $500 turns into what?
at day 90, if I didn't pull anything, it'd have been $3,800,
Sheesh, bro.
$38,000. Sorry. Um,
Bro, that's
so
enough.
this column not pulling, this goes down to 120 days. It can hit six figures if you do five. You do 5% a day and don't pull any money out. You hit six figures at around day 110. Um, that'd been March.
Bro, that's enough.
But the reality is,
Don't give them no more, bro. That's enough. That's enough. Don't give them no more, bro. That's enough. They gonna have to come to class, bro. Hey, stop sharing, bro. Stop sharing. Stop
but
sharing.
the strategies work. I mean, it's that proof is in the pudding. If you stay disciplined and you follow it, the money is there. My goal is modest. My goal is to really be able to do about $300-400 a day, 7 days a week. That's six figures. Um, Six figures, and we're doing a half an hour of work in a hour and a half of class a day. I mean,
Hey, bro,
that's
I got a question. Have you ever traded really before?
not. I've played around with pocket options before, but I didn't have a strategy. I didn't have a foundation. I just knew how to work it. So I knew how to drive the car. I just didn't know what all the buttons on the console were for.
Got
So,
you.
I would get lucky is what would happen. Pocket Options has the built-in signals. I'm like, all right, well, a majority of the people are saying buy. All right, let me try that. You know,
Man,
I didn't know how to look at it and spot trends and waves and things like I can do now. And go, okay, I didn't know what a good entry point was, what wasn't a good entry point. When a continuation is look like it's about to expire. You know, Fractals. That's a game changer. Okay, oh look, the market's about to turn. I didn't know any of that before. I just knew how to buy or sell based on just luck.
man,
So now I can apply theory to it.
I got a question. Where do you learn all this stuff from? Where did you learn all this stuff from? I just want to be clear.
Here,
What?
the strategy, KBOK. Yeah, the,
KOBK, KOBK.
I'm telling you, it is for real.
Man,
It is
Doc.
for real.
Now I appreciate it, man. And I wholehearted, humbly love your success, man. Stay dedicated, stay true, man. Stay consistent, and it's game on, man. We're gonna be talking more. Definitely. I want you to share this with some other scholars that are in our group as well, man, because they need to see it as well. It can't just be me showing it all the time. That's why when individuals from the team, from the groups share their screenshots, I share it out with everybody so they can see, hey, it's not just me winning, we're all
Yeah,
winning. But this right here is going to put it in a different perspective for everyone who's watching. Man, I appreciate it. But anyway, for those of you who are watching this, it's real. Get your strategy from my website, www.kobksalute.com, so I can really show you how to do what Mr. Plummer just showed you himself. We out of here.